this video, we will show you how to create spiral shapes in closed shapes. Objects that are filled with piping stitch type can be easily converted into a spiral fill object. Select the object and start the Stitch Flow tool. From the available Stitch Flow tools, enable Point Directions. Click to set a point direction in the middle of the object, and your spiral is ready. You can change the density according to the spiral density you want to have. The short-long parameter is helping you keep the same density in all areas. Likewise, you can create a spiral-like effect in other shapes as well. You can even apply styles on the spiral stitches and get unique embroidery results.